What's up, guys? Your boy Dora Guy, and I'm back here again with another video. So today's video we're gonna be doing a quick taillights install. I got a package here. You know, my old taillights is all busted up, and I was just tired of seeing it busted up. As you guys can see, it's all cracked up right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe you got a little closer for you guys. A little busted up, you know what I'm saying? And I just couldn't deal with it. Feel me? And a lot of people will see it and they will notice it. So today we're gonna be doing a new taillight install. I'm not gonna tell you guys what brand it is. And I hope you guys enjoy this video and you guys like it. So if you do enjoy this video, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and share the video with your friends and family. The first taillight video I made went pretty viral. It was like almost 3,000 views on it. You know what I mean? For what I did, I didn't even make a great video, and it went to 3,000 views. So you guys get this one to 4,000 views for me. Share the video with your family. Subscribe to the channel, man. I need 300 people to subscribe to the channel. If I'm able to get 3,000 views on this video, I better get 300 people subscribing to the channel, man. I'm gonna get right in the video, and I'm gonna make the video as quick and as simple, as easy as it is, okay? I'll catch you guys in a minute when the call pulls. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna open this for you guys. So there it is. It's an aftermarket taillight. It's not stock. It looks rare. This looks rare. This is LED taillight, so it's a little different. I'll try to see if I can get it out for you guys. See, it's a little different compared to this one. And you know, I feel like it just has a little class in it, and it just looks better than compared to the regular one. I was gonna go with the RS one, but I just didn't see myself paying $400 for an RS taillights when these are only $300, you know what I'm saying? And they're LED. So I'm gonna pop the hood. I'm gonna show you guys how to get the taillights out and then do the install. Alright, so before I show you guys how the taillights works, I'm gonna go in the car. I'm gonna put the car in the on position. I'm gonna hit the brake lights, the turn signals, the reverse lights, and then have you guys see what it looks like before, and we're gonna do an after one too, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. So I hope that was a great demonstration for you guys to see how these ones turn on compared to the ones we're about to do the install on. So I'm gonna place the taillights in the trunk, do a quick review on the design, everything about it, and then talk to you guys about it. I'm sorry about my trunk, it's a little dirty, you know what I'm saying, but the car's gonna get cleaned this weekend, so it'll be perfect looking when I make a video this weekend too. So one thing I'm gonna say about the packaging is that it comes with this little foam on it, and it looks pretty good. I mean, compared to, you know what I mean, how some company packages their products. So that's the first one. And this, wait, what? Okay, there we go. I thought it should mean the same one. So this is it right there. As you guys can see, it looks pretty good. I mean, the red on it is different compared to the red on here. The red on here is more a little darker compared to this. I might tint this maybe. I'm not sure yet. So, but other than that, it looks pretty good. I mean, for what it is and how much it costs. So it has a one LED stripe that goes in it. This is the reverse light and the turn signal. And at the same time, brake lights is up here. So I don't know. Let's do the install. Let me stop talking and just do this blah 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 blah. Let's make this happen. You know what I'm saying? So the design on this is definitely, you know, it looks good. I think. I mean, it looks like OEM. once I take the plastic off for you guys. I'll do the install and take the plastic off. I'm not gonna take the plastic off yet, so let's get right into the install. I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to get the install done. All right, so to do an install on a Focus ST, to do the taillights install, you're gonna come here, and as you guys can see, there's a little tab right here, and there's another one up here. So it's 1 and 2 that holds the headlight. So all you do is twist them. I'm gonna twist them for you guys to see. I need some lights. There we go. So all you gotta do is just go in there. It's tight. Twist it. So just make sure you put your hand underneath it, then you don't drop it, because if it falls down there, I already had one fall down there. Boom. And the other one is up here. It's a little tight in there, you know what I'm saying? Like a little tight, put, you know what I'm saying? A little tight, put. You feel me? But let's get it out. Okay, so to pop the tail lights out, all you have to do is just boom, lift it up, and it comes with a wiring harness right here. Push on it. There's a wire right here. You're gonna push on here, and boom, pops right out, and your tail light is out. So what we're gonna do the install. We're gonna first release the plastic off of here. And let me show you guys the wiring harness. So this is the wiring harness that's gonna go in the stock part of it. And boom, boom. I'm just trying to get clearance for it. You're gonna do the same thing you did to take the tail lights out. Just connect the wiring harness. Oh, it's on. And wow, that wire is long, bro. Okay, what are we gonna do now? The wire is pretty long. I guess I'm gonna hide it behind the bumper right here, so you might be fine. Oh, this is sick. So it goes in there. You're gonna go back in here, and you're gonna use those little clips I took out right here. You're gonna do the install back in there. It's pretty tight in there, so okay boys, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the rubber off of it. Are you ready to hear this so satisfying sound? We're gonna close the tail lights to see what it looks like. Ooh, that fin looks pretty clean. I like it. It just looks a little brand new there, you know what I'm saying? But other than that, I like it. Turn signal. Reverse. So my dad is in my car. There we go. I thought he wasn't gonna get it. Turn the turn signal off. Take it out of reverse. Brake off. Brake off. Brake off. Alright, you can turn the car off. Okay, so as you guys can see, the running light is what the little strip or bar is. That's why it's like that. See, when you open the door, the running light comes on. You know what I mean? And that's why I love the way it looks and stuff like that. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna pop up the hood, and the same thing I did on the right side, you're gonna do the same thing to the left side. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Disconnect the wiring harness. Throw this in here. Get the new taillights. Obviously the wiring harness is too long, so you're gonna want to push some of it somewhere down here. There's the bottom one and the top one like I did here. I already showed you guys what the tabs look like, so you guys should know what it looks like and what to do.
Oh, fuck.
So I'm gonna walk around and show you guys the taillights from the side. I wish you guys could see this taillights in real life and what it looks like and stuff like that. It looks pretty good. I mean, I like the design. I like the little L in here. You know, it gives it like the futuristic kind of look on it. What I'm saying makes sense. And the rear, the reverse lights is pretty bright. I can't wait to show you guys during the nighttime for you guys to see what the nighttime part look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that helped you guys a lot. I'm actually gonna take one thing out of my car. I'm gonna take I'll show you. So my car is pretty dirty, you know. This is a daily driver, and during the winter time I don't really clean it up. She shines like a diamond. So I'm gonna take this top piece off of it. I've rode on it for a long time now, and I'm definitely coming to that. Just gonna taking it out. So it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be rocking like this now from now on, and I think it get more airflow and just, you know what I'm saying, makes the engine cool down a little bit better than what it used to be. Like eventually we're gonna get a carbon fiber one of these and throw it on there, but for now we're gonna keep it like this and stay like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you guys in the next video.